What's up guys, SLF Tuning here, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy guide on how to switch to DG shifting on a motorcycle. Let's go. So basically you're just going to want to come over here around your shifter, and all you're really going to need is a 10 mil. DG shifting basically is, most bikes are 1 down, 5 up. DG shifting flips it, so it's 1 up, 5 down. It's a little more convenient. It's a preference thing, so just try it out, see if you like it. If not, you can always switch back. But let's go. So basically, you'll just take this 10 mil right here, loosen it up. You're going to be pushing upward. All right. You got the 10 mil out, so this should just pop off. There we go. All right, pops off. And basically, so it was like this. You can see the Sharpie right there. If you can, you just flip it. Then you just put it back in the groove. All right, so not sure if you can really see it, but the Sharpie is on the opposite side and it's flipped. And this is pretty much as you can go. If it's not completely 180 degrees, it's not bad. But yeah, then you just put your 10 mil back in. All right, so now you got it nice and snug. Just give it like another quarter turn and you should be good. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you guys. If it did, please make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and ride safe out there. Have a good night, guys.